Welcome to Master of Realms. We really have powerful features to supercharge your maps. In this video, we will use the unlock scaling feature and explore the possibilities of it. Let's make this castle a safe place by adding watchtower. You will find different watchtowers and structures option. Let's select one. Here, you can press R to rotate any object whole 360 degree. It also have two more amazing features. 1. Scale objects beyond their usual limits. And 2. Adjust the object height using upward arrow here. Experiment with these features to bring your maps to life like never before. You can also use duplicate option to make a duplicate of any object to make your map making faster. Coming soon on Steam, wishlist now.